Alright. So, day 3, hindi na ako nakapagpaalam kagabi. Sobrang pagod na namin. But ngayon, nandito kami sa Jurong West. Kasi ito yung malapit bago doon sa tour namin later sa Tiger Brewery. Ayan, kakain lang muna kami.
Bihon na sila. Pansit yan eh.
So ito, na-amaze lang ako sa mga prutas. Ang lalaki ng prutas nila dito sa Singapore. And then, ito yung kinain namin. Chicken rice, carrot cake, and tofu. Ayan, so ang daming prutas. Yun nga lang, medyo kapos kami sa bagahe kaya hindi kami makakapag-uwi. Ayan, so from Jurong West, nag-grab na lang ulit kami going to the Tiger Brewery tour kasi medyo malayo siya. Alright, so andito tayo ngayon sa Tiger Brewery. Ayan. So ongoing yung tour and stay muna daw kami dito sa area. So, maraming hindi nakakaalam na pwede pala itour yung Tiger Brewery dito sa Singapore. So, I got this tour of Klook. Around 700 pesos lang siya. And maganda yung experience. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa parang hall nila of showing off their history and also the awards na napanalunan ng Tiger Brewery. Sana sa Philippines din, no? Yung San Miguel Brewery, tsaka yung iba pang mga brewery natin. Hindi ko sure kung nag-o-offer sila ng tours. But if they do, please comment down below kung paano sila ma-avail para ma-enjoy naman natin. So dito sa area na to, pinapakita yung mga raw materials na ginagamit in beer making. And then dito naman meron sa likod na malaking bote ng Tiger. So the tour is about 40 minutes long. Dadalhin kayo sa buong facility where they produce beer and also where they package it. And then may mga parts na bawal picturean and dito naman tinuturuan kung paano yung tamang paglalagay ng beer coming from the tap. So dinidemo sa atin ni Sir kung paano maglinis or magpalamig ng baso and kung paano yung tamang pag-pour. So let's watch.
Okay, just let the excess water drip. And as you can see now, the glass has been chilled.
Chilled glass na siya.
Okay, near the top of the glass, there will be a line as well. Okay, so the line is to indicate the start of the foam head. So why do we need a foam head? It's because it actually protects the beer from losing its carbonation and also brings the aroma of the beer to the surface. So when you guys take a first initial sip, you'll taste more of the aroma, and the foam head also provides a better mouthfeel. So the reason we chill the glass is because the optimal temperature to serve Tiger is 2 to 6 degrees Celsius. So once you have chilled your glass, you can start tapping your beer. But when you guys try it on, just make sure that you avoid the first second of the beer that's coming out because you may need just before. So pull the handle towards you. Once you see it's clear, then put your glass in at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so that's how you tap a perfect glass of Tiger. So if you do it correctly, your foam head should start at where the line is, which is here. Okay. Anyways, if you guys are thirsty, you can drink this. And I have 2 more glasses here, so I just need 2 volunteers to come out.
So yun, after nung demo, merong tour pa dito sa mismong lugar na yun. Tawag yata na Tiger Den, if I'm not mistaken. And then, yun, mayroon bibigay sa inyo na tokens to try out different types of beer na meron sila. Ayan. Bawal lang namin bakwa. Escalator ba to? Papuntang langit oh. So after namin sa Tiger Brewery tour, nag-ikot lang kami saglit sa Orchard Road and also sa Lucky Plaza. And then going to day 4. And so from this point on, wala na yung camera ko kasi nagkaroon din kami ng problem. So if you're going to Singapore, make sure magdala kayo ng adapter sa power outlet. Yun yung naging problem namin. Isa lang yung naging available power outlet namin. Hindi na kami bumili ng adapter kasi sayang. Pero yun. So lahat ng footage dito sa phone ko na lang. So deads na yung dala kong camera. Also to note na pagdating namin dito sa city center, marami nang sarado because of yung F1 niya. So, ayan. So, pumunta muna kami ng Marina Bay Sands sa Apple Store talaga yung pakay namin kasi meron kaming dadaling watch for warranty. Kaso, unfortunately, hindi na daw siya mare-repair. So, bibili na bago. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, make sure dumaan kayo sa basement. Pero if you want to take a photo of the views outside, no, kasi yung bilog, di mo makikita. Pero sarado siya from the outside. Ang daan talaga niya is sa Marina Bay Sands, basement 2, I think. Ayan, yung escalator. After namin sa Marina Bay Sands, dumiretso na kami ng Marina Square and Clay Pot Chicken. And hindi ko alam kung ano to, basta dyan kami kumain. Pero sa may Millennial Walk, may Tesla showroom. Yan, tinek lang namin. Then going into Marina Square, kita na dito yung mga racetrack na gagamitin for F1. Naka-ready na rin, nakasarado na yung mga roads, and we were going to Sinwin. Okay, so nalobat na yung day 4, and dito na natin pupuntahan yung mga music store. Sinwin Violins, check it out. So Sinwin lang yung napuntahan namin kasi sobrang hectic na, ang dami ng road closures.
1 million.
So nakapag-testing din tayo ng iba't ibang violins. I'll post another vlog na yun lang yung focus. For now, snippets muna. Yeah. So magpo-post din ako yung mga items na nabili natin, kaso di tayo nakabili ng case. So, yung Singapore River Cruise is free. Nakuha namin siya ng free using Singapore Rewards. It's available for tourists, no? Especially first-timers na pupunta ng Singapore. It has to be by plane kung pupunta ka dito para ma-avail mo yung free attraction. Isa lang to sa mga free attractions. Just visit Singapore or download the app on your phone and then may fill up lang kayong details. Make sure to book 2 weeks before your arrival or yung date na gusto mong i-avail yung mga tours nila. So, ito, Singapore River Cruise. And then, pwede rin yata yung sa Singapore Zoo and many more attractions na pwede mong ma-try for free. So, right after nung cruise, nagpababa kami dun sa may Arts and Old Parliament House. Ayan, so napasok namin yung iba't ibang mga museum and yung arts house. Tapos yun nga, nakita rin namin nagsiset up na sila ng racetrack during this day. Tapos ito, nadaanan namin sa Excelsior Plaza ba yun? Mga kakaibang gitara. So marami din palang tindahan doon. And then we went to Bugis Street for our dinner. Nakipag-meet din kami with friends. Ayan, maraming prutas pa rin. And then wala nang bakute, so ayun na lang yung natira. Meet natin si Kian and si Ram. We're also from UST. Wala na ako masyadong na-videohan kasi nga wala na akong camera. So we went to Mustafa Center, may binili lang kami mga groceries, baka pasalubong. Ayan, sa may Little India. And then we met up sa friend ng tito ko si Sir Edwin. And dinala niya kami sa Batcha Coffee. So ang haba ng pila pero nakapasok naman kami agad. So magandang experience siya sa loob. May na-meet din kami na Filipino na taga-Imus din. Shout out sa'yo kuya. Thank you sa service mo. Ayan. So masarap yung coffee nila. Pero for us, yung pastries medyo super tamis. So parang drip coffee yata yung ginagawa nila. And then yan, ito yung croissant. Tapos yung coffee nila nilalagyan ng vanilla. So from Ayon, naglakad-lakad lang kami around Orchard Road. And nagpicture kami sa gitna ng BC Street. And then pinuntahan namin yung original na nagtitinda ng ice cream sandwich, no? Si Uncle na nagtitinda doon sa area na yon. So kumain kami doon. And walked around. Pagdating ng 6:20 yata, biglang natakot kami kasi biglang may siren na super lakas. Parang may something na broadcast testing ng warning system. And then nag-Lucky Plaza kami. We ate Indonesian food. And salamat po ulit kay Sir Edwin for treating us that day. So last day na. Last meal namin sa ABC Bistro. 3 a.m. Tapos yan na, bumiyahe na kami papunta sa airport. 5:30, 10:30 yung flight namin. Pero sobrang bilis lang nung biyahe. Kaya ang aga-aga namin sa airport. Alright, so nalobat na yung camera ko for 2 days. And medyo nahirapan kasi kami mag-charge. Kaya dito muna tayo. So, pauwi na kami. Time check, it's 6:03 a.m. And nandito kami ngayon sa Terminal 4. And yun, pauwi na nga kami. Very smooth lahat ng naging namin dito sa airport nila. Ewan ko sa airport natin. So good luck na lang sa atin. And so we're just waiting for a few minutes. Tapos mag-check. Papasok na kami sa departure area. Last na kinain ko is pho. So, sa airport. Ayun na. Tapos pauwi na. Paalam. Bukas ulit. See you next month.
Kumikita lang sana tayo ng 16 daw.
So, ayun. Pauwi na nga kami. Flight was around same. 3 hours and 40 minutes. Medyo natagalan lang kami sa immigration palabas kasi nagkamali kami na pinila pa na QR, tsaka medyo mabagal yung baggage. Ayan. Sa binakayan na yan. Naglalakad ako sa binakayan. So basically, that ends our trip and that ends our vlog. So kung gusto nyo makita yung mga na-testing natin na violins and yung mga haul, it would be on a separate vlog na ipopost ko din hopefully within the week or next week after the posting of this. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. If you'd like more content like this, please do drop a like, comment down below more content you'd like to see. Of course, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my socials, all the links you need down in the description box below. And thank you for watching.